Good morning everyone. My name is Sadiq Abdi. I'm from Abdi Travels and hope you all are good with best of your health and spirits. Now today I'm here at a very unique place in center of India, which is called as a diamond crossing. So I'm just walking towards it. Let's see. Now today I am here at a very unique place in India, which is in Nagpur. It's called as the Double Diamond Crossing. Now the unique USP about this particular place is that it is the only double diamond crossing in the whole country where you see two broad gauge lines intersecting each other. So you see the broad gauge number 1, number 2 intersecting with broad gauge number 1, number 2. Now other places of India you will see double diamond crossing, but that's only by 1 by 2 or 2 by 1 crossing. This is the only crossing in India which is on a two broad gauge lines consecutively intersecting each other. And this structure is called as double diamond because it creates the structure of a diamond and that replicates the diamond structure. Hence it is called as the double diamond structure in India. In Bhusawal also we see one double diamond crossing, but that is on a 2 by 1 crossing, which means that it has got a broad gauge line coming up and it is the intersection which cuts in, and that is a single line. So it is a 2 by 1 crossing which we see in Bhusawal. Now guys, I'll tell you, the railway engineering in India is the best in the world. I'll tell you the reason why. Because the railway wheel which is actually made, it has got an inner lip which makes it stable on high speeds. Now if you see here the construction, it has got the razor plate which is there so that it creates a stability and gives stability to the engine and along with the bogies. So if you see, there is a cut mark which is there on the intersection, which means that this particular track has to be changed on a regular interval so that the track is on topmost condition. Now guys, I'll tell you when does a train reduce the speed. A train reduces the speed on 3 conditions. First, over a long bridge which would be over a river. Second, on a planned construction where there is a planned construction on the railway track. And third is this diamond crossing. Now guys, this is a Fisher plate. This is the only thing which is maintained quite promptly by the railways on a regular interval. And this is a counterbalance. So counterbalancer is actually not required throughout the track, but under the intersection conditions, it is a must. Now guys, it would be a humble request for everyone to please control your littering and the garbage when you are actually traveling on the Indian Railways, because if you see from the train you will not be able to see this, but when you come to the tracks you see all this trash, and these are non-biodegradable plastic waste which is hard to collect apart from city areas. So now what we are doing is that we are just walking through the diamond crossing. The frequency of the train is quite less over this crossing. Indian Railways is a mass movement travel option which is economical and easily reachable. So if you are traveling by Indian Railways, please appreciate Indian Railways, and if you like this particular video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.